Guys, check this out. These two Z06s, I don't know what colors these are, but these cars are absolutely beautiful. This is something you don't see often at all. Look at these colors, man. Like, that's a normal white right there, but this is a whole different color. Like, oh my goodness. I'll let you guys take a look. So one of them at least has the window sticker on the top, so we'll go ahead and take a look. Let's look at that sticker. See if I can zoom in. $170,000. Oh my god. You guys can pause. You guys want to read it? I'll take a picture and I'll also tag it right here. Hold on. Cool, so I took a picture. You guys can read the window sticker. Let's do a little bit of a walk now. So both of these cars are convertibles. Look at the interior. Red interior with the black, so it's red and black. And this is like a banana, not banana, but caramel tan interior. Dude, Chevrolet did such a great job. Look at the pearlescent on this trim piece right here. And then also in the paint too. I don't know if you guys can see, but paint on both of these cars is beautiful. This doesn't really have a pearl on it. Well, actually, yes it does. It does have a pearl on it. Oh my goodness. The spoilers aren't on because they haven't installed it yet. I'm guessing this just came in. I'll let you guys take a look. Man, I want to hear it so bad. 5.5 liter V8 flat plane crank, 8-speed dual clutch, I believe. 70th anniversary edition, both cars, and they both sound amazing. 5.5 liter V8, 8-speed dual clutch transmission. So this one has the standard wheels. No, I don't think they're standard. I don't know. I don't know that much about these cars, so I'm not gonna say anything. 2-piston, and then the 4-piston right there. Z06. Oh my god. 6-piston. I wonder if they're carbon ceramics. Yes, they are. Carbon ceramic brakes. Michelin Pilot Sport. Oh, such a beautiful car. Such a neck breaker, let's be honest. This is such a neck breaker. Now, the blue one right here, it has carbon fiber wheels. Just look at the carbon fiber and how it shines. Oh, wow. I'm literally giving them a round of applause. Like, carbon fiber side skirt. No, I'm sorry, I'm blind. The reflection of this is making me think it's carbon fiber, but it's not, it's painted. Just like this one. This one's also painted. They're both painted side skirts. I'm not gonna lie, I think it would be cool if the doors kind of went up, but at the same time, it's not a Corvette thing, let's be honest. All right, so besides these two Corvette Z06s, we have another one. Let me show you guys it. I think it might be a base model. Let me show you, hold on. So I'm walking down this direction. They have a bunch of other Corvettes. So this right here, this white one, yeah, I don't think it's like the others. This white one too. I don't know what color that other one, white looking one was, but this is white. Look at the pearl on that mirror cap. Amazing. Red intake manifolds. Dude, this looks so mean. Oh my god. I think the black wheels would look a lot better on this, but yeah, this is in white. It's a coupe. This one's a coupe, you can tell. Backup camera is right there. That's a nice placement right there. Unless that's the camera for something else. This one has carbon fiber interior. Yeah, it's got the carbon fiber red seats inside. It's also 70th anniversary edition car. That thing is sick. What do you guys think, huh? Honestly, I'll be honest here. So I sold my Mustang GT, and I'm looking at getting another car. Obviously, I said in my previous video when I sold the Mustang video, I said I want to get a GT 500, which I still do. But I also want a Corvette Z06 C8. But as of right now, it's out of my price range. It's out of my price range, but I'm really liking this color. If I had to get a Z06, if I get a C8, I would get the yellow color. I forgot what it was called. The race yellow, I think. Adrenaline yellow. Correct me in the comments, but that's the color Z06 I would get. But yeah, guys, this is it. The new C8 Z06. It's not even the ZR. It's not even the top dog, guys. Like, the fact that this is not even the top dog. It's not even a ZR1. It's a Z06. It's naturally aspirated, producing 670 horsepower. Which is insane. Absolutely insane. For a convertible car, I love it. It looks great. Reminds me of a 458, 488. Reminds me of that, but hey, it's still a Corvette. One thing I really like is the heat extractors right here. I think the heat extractors looks really mean. Especially like when you're taking a picture of the car at nighttime. So, what do you guys think? Should I get a Corvette Z06 to sit along the Shelby when I get the Shelby? You guys comment down below. Let me know. Should I get a Corvette Z06 C8? I mean, obviously, as of right now, it's not really in my budget, but I really want to get one of these cars. I want to drive it, man. I really want to drive a C8 Z06. Like, I just want to get that raw feeling. I'll even ride passenger in one. I'm pretty sure soon I'll be able to ride in one, but for me to own one, I definitely would. I wouldn't even mind getting like a 1LZ, 2LZ model. I don't really want the 3LZ. I don't want that big wing, but it looks mean nonetheless. Even with the standard black wing, like on those cars, like that looks sinister, you know? So, yeah, guys, comment down below. You guys want to see a C8 Z06 on the channel? Let me know, comment down below. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.